Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Wes and welcome to the future of minis because we are getting into Gundam Assemble. We're going to be doing an unboxing video and build today. Despite having a Warhammer army to get ready, we're going to be doing this instead. So let's get into it. We are going to be doing an unboxing of our Gundam Assemble kit. Starting with the... Oh my god, why is this thing like super taped? Oh. Everything you need to start playing the game. So we get ready to play starter deck, make your own Gundam, and then enter the battlefield. So we are gonna get card types: 14 common, 2 legend rare. I was gonna say legendary rare cards. 1 paper damage counter, 8 tokens, booster pack. We have our assembly rolls from the looks of it. Looks like everything is push fit. Possibly. Yep, looks like everything is push fit. What else? I'm not much of a card game kind of person. Yu-Gi-Oh was the most I got into cards. Sheesh. Okay, it's banned. Then I got here. 16 cards. I don't know what any of these cards mean, guys. They just look cool. Are these all blue? It is warped, unfortunately. Alright guys, we are going to be comparing instructions. And I really love the first thing that is like one of the first things. It's got a bunch of QR codes. That tells you more about Gundam Assemble. And then it also tells you what is Gunpla, which is people often like, what's the difference between Gundam and Gunpla? And it's like Gunpla is Gundam, but Gundam you build. That's Gunpla, which is what we're going to be making. Now, these instructions, first and foremost, is push fit. All we need is snips, nothing else. Then it is numerical, according to parts list. Parts not needed indicate processing may create slight variations in parts during manufacturing. So we got some options. This could very well be the next level of miniature wargaming, guys. Because let's compare. Ready? This is from Games Workshop Push Fit. These models are actually excellent. This is from the Underworlds kit. These models. Now, it's funny because those kits aren't that new. And these are both kits that came out this year, 2025. I think this one may have came out 2024. Either way, these are both brand new kits. This one's from Necromunda. Black and white. The kits weren't that bad though. They were fairly easy to build. Horus Heresy, on the other hand, this kit, like, why are these still in black and white? And these are brand new. You would think they're as old as something like this. So the cards look great. I mean, the booster pack is warped, which I'm upset about. I haven't opened it yet. I don't think I am. And I'm waiting to see the instructions on the actual game itself. And like, do they have like cards for the models like they do in Warhammer and other games? Or am I just supposed to use the ones here because I kind of prefer different cards for them? And how am I supposed to get those? I guess we'll find out later in the future. Anyway, GW has to step up their instructions because the Warhammer ones and the Age of Sigmar ones are cool, but the Necromunda and Horus Heresy are crap compared to these Gundam ones. Anyway, that's been enough of me talking. Enjoy some building. So thank you for joining me, and that was Gundam. And look forward to getting these things painted up on the channel soon. But first, Inquisition still. Oh my god, I can't believe this, Army. I've been Wes, where's the fun? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Gundam, Warhammer, D&D, and whatever the heck else my ADHD leads me to. So, have a good one. Goodbye.